Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom industrial Lamicoid stickers. Now in this case here, they're serialized, so from 250 to 280, and they're for industrial panels, so you can quickly just apply them to the panel so everybody knows, well, this is panel 275, this is panel 265. So it makes orientation inside of a plant to fix things, maintain things a lot easier than just saying, well, the plant, around the corner, on the left, the third one down. This is an efficient way to keep things going. Now there are some downsides to Lamicoids versus stainless steel, which is what we typically do. We've made three different kind of sort of panel tags. The first one we've made is we actually fiber laser etch the panel directly, so then nothing ever comes off, and that's great for food grade sort of projects with plants, because then nothing can come off. You can bleach it all you want at the end of a shift, no issues at all, no contamination, nothing. Step, I guess, down from that would be making like this here, but out of stainless steel. Then the welder comes into the plant and TIG welds it all the way around to make sure nothing goes behind the tag. And then again, you can have your chemical wash downs and all that kind of stuff. Now the third level from that are Lamicoid. And of course this would not handle bleach or any sort of wash downs. So it's for a different application, but it serves its purpose for that application. So as you can see here, it's a red core, it's black surface, and on the back is double-sided tape. So like everything else in the shop, whenever we do these custom tags, they all start off as a digital file. So basically we just do the measurement. So tube, in this case here, would be 2 inch by 3 inch. We put the font in the middle, and then once the customer approves the drawing, we go ahead and actually make them here. Now you'll notice in the video that we had a two-step process, meaning that first we cut out the tags. After that, we remove the film, and then we engrave them. Now that's a new process that I've never done before, this year actually. I used to do it on one step. And the downside to that is some of that surface, in this case here would be the black surface, ends up being sticky on the edges. And you just gotta rub it off using a magic eraser. This process is far more efficient. So I have to thank Guy for letting me know about that, because since then I've looked at Lamicoids a very different way. Because typically what I would have to do is spend quite a bit of time cleaning up all the edges and the surface, and using this method here, I don't have to do any of that. So if you're looking for custom tags, stainless steel, Lamicoid, whatever, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make them for you and ship them right to your door.